Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of how these lights are at night. Just 2 floating lights. Actually looks pretty good.
In each box. Yeah, let's unbox it and see what else we got. It doesn't say how many watts. I'm curious as to if it tells you how many watts each light is. Let's give it a look here. So you're gonna get your 2 lights and then also a remote. Oh, that's handy. Handy that it comes with a remote. All right, we'll put that off to the side. You get a nice, let's see here. How are the instructions? Oh yeah, all right, good. Very nice. Gives you a nice little set of instructions there. And let's take the light out, see what we got. All right, that's actually a pretty good size solar panel. It takes up the whole entire light, and this is your light itself with your LEDs in the middle. Very nice. I'm wondering, nope, it is enclosed, it looks like. I'll have to take a look and get back to you on how you turn these on. Oh, I can see here, I wonder if this opens up. I'm gonna look at the instructions and get back to you, 1 sec. All right, guys, I am back. After reading the instructions, they're actually pretty good.
I'm actually very impressed because this is a decent sized pool, guys. For 2 lights.
So what it is, basically, it says cover the light to test if it's on and the light will go on. If not, the battery is dead. So these batteries are dead. So what I'm going to do is put them outside, let them charge for a while, and I'm going to get back to you probably tonight with the demonstration. Also, just a little information here. That's pretty cool how what it tells you. The working time on a full charge is 8 to 12 hours, and the charging time from a light source is 5 to 6 hours, so not too bad. All right, I'll get back to you guys with the demo in a little bit.
Hey guys, here's a top-down view on those pool lights. Give you another view. 2 lights, it's a 20,000 gallon pool, guys. Not bad for just 2 lights. For the value, not bad. Look at that. Not bad at all. And if I turned my deck lights off, it would look even better.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick little unboxing, review, and demonstration of these solar floating pool lights by KitLoo. Here is the packaging it comes in. Pretty good cardboard, well protected. Here's all your information if this is what you're looking for. 500 mAh battery in each one, 0.85 watt solar panel on there to trickle charge it. You don't really need much for a 500 mAh battery. They look fairly big, so it looks like they're going to be pretty good. 2 pieces.